Appliances, please.
Appliances, one moment, please.
Thank you. I need your help on this.
No, I'm here to do the sound effects.
Yeah, I was calling. You guys carry Whirlpool water heaters?
We do, yes.
Okay, I think you guys installed one for me a while back, maybe like 2 years ago, and I'm having some issues. Hold on a second. Let me get up on my chair. Darla. Yeah, just heat that up. What I'm having is, hold on, let me walk down the steps here. Okay, you guys, looks like you guys installed this 2 years ago, and I'm having, oh my gosh, it smells like gas down here. Darla, you smell that? Okay, hold on a second, buddy. I got some technical questions to ask you. Hold on, I can't see a damn thing. Let me get my lighter.